this is the way to change colors without masking. So here, I'm just going to try to change the color of the sweater. I'm going to prompt change color of sweater to lavender and hit apply. So I got a couple of different options that they still look like the original sweater, but in lavender. So I'll confirm and merge all. So that is one way to just switch the color if I just want to change it to just something as loose as just lavender or light blue or navy or etc. The other thing that we can do is use a color swatch. So I'm going to upload this JPEG of a Pantone chip. That's it, large, of burgundy. And then I'm going to say change color of sweater to color of reference image and hit apply. And here we've gotten burgundy sweaters that match the Pantone color of the reference image. Again, you just want to merge all at the end. So that is the way that you can change colors without masking. That works if you don't want to change it to a very precise color. But again, you can also match swatches like this. All right, that's it. Thanks.